Hi, this is John with WTI. And lately for me, it's been kind of a struggle to have fruit snacks or snacks that are going to be healthier or lower in sugar. And this is where this Welsh strawberry fruit snacks comes into place. The situation or the having the opportunity of just having a nice snacks or just little sweets craving while I'm working or doing things during the day is just great. And the fact that it actually tastes really good. This strawberry feels like a natural strawberry flavor. And it's not too high in sugar, has a good source of vitamin C. So it's not just eating sweet just because of eating sweet. You're getting actually some benefits from this. So if you're just trying to have like a good or a better option for you to have like snacks, or if you have a sweet craving, having one of these, it's really good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.